Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is curd rice. In South India, every meal ends with curd rice. Let's begin the recipe curd rice. I'm pouring in oil, mustard seeds. When it's crackling, I'm going to add urad dal, chana dal and little jeera. I can turn off the flame, add few green chilies and curry leaves. And keep the seasoning aside. Rice at room temperature. Add in salt according to your taste. Try to mash a little. Now I would like to add grated coconut. And the seasoning. This is the cream which I took it out from the boiled and cool milk. This enhances the taste of the curd rice. Be generous. Most important, the curd. If you are serving right away, then you can add more. If you are serving little later, reduce the quantity of curd. It's the time to add the milk which is boiled and completely cooled. To this, I'm going to add in pomegranate. This is again optional, and some finely cut coriander. Our creamy curd rice is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.